Blackburn at the belt, check second. And the 2-2 pitch. Fastball misses outside. Oh, Blackburn wanted that one. He was hot. He was hot. He wanted that one badly. Snap back at the ball as Olivo threw it back. 3-2 the count. The runners will take off on this pitch. You can tell Blackburn, that was the one pitch he wanted, the 2-2. Runners take their leads, and they do not go because Blackburn spins around trying to keep the runner at second. Rolfing close. 3 balls, 2 strikes, 2 outs. Clayton looks into Olivo. Right-hander with the belt. And the runners go. The 3-2 pitch is swung on, bounced down to third, backhanded by Castillo. And he just got to tag out the runner. He faked the throw, and he tags out Rolfing. Great play by Castillo. Good heads-up play by the third baseman. That goes 5 unassisted. No runs, 2 hits, 2 left. We are through 7.5. River Cats nothing, Aces nothing. Bottom of the 8th after this.